Keini. Wadhi county Manakuru, manen governor Manakuru Lee Kinyanjui okwedo duoko mar ombulu kom governor. Kwacho ne nitiere chochni modhuro moting'o nyiewo joluto ombulu, lweny kod loro ne agents gi oko e kuonde luto ombulu. Kowuoyo e Azimio la Umoja Brigade moting'o joma ne ochung' e kombe mopogore opogore, giwacho ni gidhi tudore kod okinde magi mar ng'iyo okang' ma gidhi kawo. Kinyanjui omedo ni ok en kare ka kuonde luto ombulu moko nigi kwan marom mag ombulu ma bende ok chal kod kwan mogik.
Are you ready? We see Nakuru as one of those areas that were targeted by a very deliberate and well-orchestrated international electoral fraud that did not just start at the voting. It was something that was well thought. There were young people here who came a long time way before the election with laptops and all the other gadgets and had access to the system. And the question is, how can the IEBC, charged with the responsibility of ensuring the integrity of an election, allow all this to happen? And therefore, as a team, we are currently speaking with our legal and other technical teams, including ICT, with a view to taking the necessary actions. As it were, Wanjiko votes, and our responsibility is only to count what she has voted. We have no business manipulating what she has voted. And I think this will be the area of concern as we go to the coming days. And therefore, our conclusion is that the integrity of the process cannot be guaranteed, and therefore the outcomes likewise do not reflect what Wanjiko did.